here on ITV.
And your weather forecast for Boxing Day, Monday. Well, tonight it will be cloudy to begin with light rain and drizzle at times, becoming mainly dry though from the north later. Minimum temperatures 7 degrees centigrade, 45 degrees Fahrenheit, and the wind fresh southwesterly. Tomorrow mostly cloudy, mainly dry with a few bright or sunny intervals, perhaps a few light showers. Maximum temperatures tomorrow 8 degrees centigrade, 46 degrees Fahrenheit, and moderate south to southwest wind. The outlook for Tuesday and Wednesday unsettled with further rain, but generally mild. That's the weather forecast, and that's all from HTV Wales for this Christmas Sunday. You know, I'm an old-fashioned girl. I still think it's Boxing Day following Christmas Day, but you've got a double bonus. It's again Boxing Day tomorrow. Well, that's the way I look at the world. We had a very good Christmas family day yesterday. I hope that you did too. It was good to be back with you this evening, and I must say that the atmosphere in the studio here this evening has been most enjoyable. We've had a lovely time, and I hope that you have had a good day too, and that you've enjoyed our programmes throughout the day. Don't forget what's on offer tomorrow. As we've just seen, we've got our Moonraker film at 6:30, and we've got Morecambe and Wise, and we've got California Suite in the evening. But we're back bright and early tomorrow morning to open shop for Cockleshell Bay. Some fishy things going on there apparently at 9:30. We've got Rainbow for the youngsters, and something concerning stainless steel and the Star Spies for them at 5 to 10. We've got a lovely film as well for the youngsters and for the adults for that matter at 11:05. That's Black Beauty. The news follows at 1. Racing from Kempton at 1:05. And then, well, I must read this out to you before we leave you. It's Hollywood, The Gift of Laughter at 2:30. And it's a star-studded salute to film comedy featuring a wealth of footage from all of Hollywood's major studios. It's a rib-tickling display of movie mirth and madness from the silent era to the present day. So that should put us in a good frame of mind tomorrow afternoon. I'll be back bright and early in the morning at 9:30, hopefully for you, and Dilwyn will be here in the evening. But from all of us now in the studio, and my controller John, we wish you a very good evening. Have a good day tomorrow. We leave you with the clock. And it's exactly 18 minutes past 12. Good night. Nostalg.
Sabay tayo sa pagtulog, mahal. Hintayin mo naman ako. Ang gusto kong mahal, sana'y laging sabay tayo. Sabay tayong mangarap sa mundo. Samahan, mahirap maghiwalay. Ibang may pinagsamahan, ang gusto ay magkasabay. Ibang may pinagsamahan, San Miguel Hill.
There I was alone in the shadows, couldn't find my way. It's your season to shine with Skin White Lotion, with their new Y3C and SPF for whiter, stunningly beautiful skin. You make me shine, shine. You keep me shining through. It's true. I'm shining on. Skin White Lotion. Shine with Skin White. From Splash.
I'm so grateful to my parents for getting me into sports. As a young child, they taught me the value of discipline. I learned to face pressure with grace, even as a little girl. And winning gave me confidence. Teach your child to be an achiever. Get her into sports. Start her now when she's young and full of dreams. Did you hear? Oh, come on. I don't believe it. It can't be true.
Believe it. Palmolive soap makes your skin softer, smoother in 7 days.
Does it really? Well, let me try it.
Its unique beauty cream formula gives you a lather no other soap can give. Thicker, richer, creamier.
Feel it. Oh, yeah, I feel it.
After 7 days, feel the big difference. Your skin is softer, smoother. What a beautiful skin change.
Really works. Really works. You better believe it.
Don't take their word for it. Try new Palmolive soap with beauty cream and experience a beautiful skin change
I can feel it.
in just 7 days.
I like to give 100% to whatever I do. And I like a soap that does too. That's why I use Dial. Dial makes me feel 100% fresh and clean all over. And Dial's got a fragrance I like. 100% clean, fresh, and confident. That's the way I like to feel throughout the day. And who knows more about that than Dial?